send money from Zelle to GCash. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to send money from your Zelle account to your GCash account. So first of all, just open your Play Store or your Apple Store, and after that just search for Zelle and just install the application in your smartphone, and after that just go ahead and open the app in your phone, and now just sign into your account after filling all these details. And after that you have to choose the receiver from your Zelle account to transfer money to their GCash account, and you will need to know their GCash registered mobile number. So make sure that you will ask for their mobile number, and if you have their mobile number, you have to input the Zelle to GCash transfer amount, the amount that you want to transfer in their account. So first of all, just select the receiver's name and the email address and their contact number, and then just enter the amount that you want to transfer. And once you enter the amount that you want to forward to the person that you want to send the money in their GCash account, and then just confirm and send the transfer and wait for the fund to be credited. But in some instances it may take up to 24 hours. And one thing that you have to keep in mind, that Zelle does not currently support international transfer. As a result, it is not possible for you to send money directly from your Zelle to your GCash in Philippines. However, there are alternative ways to transfer funds from your US account to GCash. You can use remittance services or wireless transfer. And yeah, that's it. You have transferred the fund from your Zelle to your GCash account successfully. And this way you will be able to send money from your Zelle to your GCash account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.